Hey there, beautiful human. So I'm going to show you how I get rid of repeated words or errors on Descript. So I'm here on my Descript dashboard. As you can see, I have, let's look at this word here, comfortable. Okay, so it's right over here. So I say it twice. Let me go ahead and play it. See if you could hear this.
Is this step moving me closer to the life I want, or is it just keeping me comfortable in the?
So is it just keeping me? I say twice here. I'm going to remove one. Let me play that again.
Just keeping me comfortable in the past.
So I'm going to just simply highlight that and hit delete on my keyboard. So now when I play it,
The life I want, or is it just keeping me comfortable in the past?
and that's how you
Even
do
if it's
that.
just one new decision a day, it can add up